Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. It's my pleasure today to show you around this 2018 Peugeot 5008 Allure. This is the 7-seater model, so very rare in coming to the market these days is 7 seats. People tend to keep them for a very long time, but this is a fantastic looking vehicle, finished in the crystal blue metallic. The right colour just escapes me, but in fantastic order indeed. Taking a look around it, we're sat on these wonderful bi-colour 18-inch alloy wheels, and they're in exceptional order. The car itself is loaded with nice features on the Allure, so we get the signature front end there with the parking sensors to the front and also to the rear. We've got the privacy glass in the back of this particular vehicle. Everything that was provided with the car on its first owner is still here, so 2 keys, book pack, service documentation. As I say, all the wheels are in lovely condition. Taking a look down the sides of the vehicle, it's been really well maintained and cared for. You can see very nice sides, no trolley dents or anything like that on them, and as I say, all the wheels are in exceptional order. Now this particular vehicle has got the privacy glass in the rear, and as I open the boot, he says, you will see that you've got the 7 seats that drop down under the floor. So this has got the nice boot flooring, and then just to put the seat up, you just grab that, put it up, drop that back down again, and then you've got the 7 seats. So if you don't want 7 seats, you can put the boot down and you can fill it up. You can go camping and everything, you name it, you can do it. We've got the rear parcel shelf as well, that slides across. We've got a 12-volt charging point in there. But wonderful. Back end of the car is really dynamic. We've got the black tailboard and then the LED style lights, but again, looking down the driver's side, that mirrors that of the passenger, is free from any blemish. We've got the privacy glass there, and again, just showing you the wheels, they are all in super condition. But the actual car all the way round is lovely. I do like the colour. I think it's a real nice, it shows the chrome off, the chrome around the roof, around the bottom of the vehicle. The contrast of detail is really luxurious. Now when we open the driver's door, we're met by this lovely half leather and tartan style grey interior. Very hard wear in this, and very comfortable. The seats on these are excellent. We've then got the newer style dashboard on the Peugeot. We've got the iCockpit, so everything is digital on that cockpit as well. We've got the grey cloth trim following on the door cards with the chrome detail. 4 electric windows, power folding mirrors. The driver's seat is height adjustable, as well as the steering is rake and reach. So jumping in the car, then we've got this lovely centre console. I'll just pop the key in the ignition, bring it to life. The iCockpit comes up and then let's just turn that music down. And as you can see there, we've got then blind spot monitoring. We've got the mileage of 28,110 miles. And then this slightly smaller steering wheel, as most of these Peugeots are now. Very easy to maintain and look across the top of that dashboard. Lots and lots of room. We've then got the centre armrest, which does open to reveal a lovely large storage box. We've got cup holders, the 6-speed transmission. Very easy to use, these controls. So every little button here represents music, climate, nav, car, and then the screen itself is also touch. So we've got the DAB radio there. Press that, we've got the climate control. We've then got the satellite navigation. Go, just thinking about it. Bluetooth phone, and then we've got the apps there. So we've got the Apple CarPlay, Peugeot Connect. Once you've connected your phone, it all comes alive. But a very nice car. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker either. It's in lovely condition. Passenger seat again replicates that of the driver and is in outstanding order. But then when you look in the back there, we've got 3 Isofix chairs that 3 adults could fit in, and also if you've got baby seats. They are 3 Isofix seats, so you can put 3 baby seats or 3 booster seats on there. So let's have a look in the rear now of that particular, and you can just check that one out, and then you've got the seats in the back as well. So just look at that, we've got blinds on these windows. I like that, easy to clip on that blind. Cloth and chrome run on the seat as well as sorry, on the back door. We've got storage underneath the floor, and we've got these lovely concert tables, so you can put your iPod or your stuff on there. And as I say, these chairs are very, very luxurious and very, very comfortable. I've been in one of these some distance, sat in the rear. Loads of room. We've got climate, then we can adjust the heater controls here and have that coming out through there. And then to get into the rear of the vehicle, if you do require the 7 seats, just press that slides forward, and then we can go through. I've not put that one up obviously, but yeah, you can draw these chairs forward, so if you've got people with longer legs in the back, you can do that there on there. But what a lovely car. Roof lining in light grey, very nice spacious vehicle. Superb family vehicle. So you need 7 seats, you've got it. If you need a car to go camping, you've got it. If you want something that's fantastic on fuel, here it is. What more can we say? 2018, nice mileage. Everything that was there when it was new is still available today. The Allure model is the model to have, so lots of nice chrome features, lovely alloy wheels, all the toys, all the whistles and all the bells. So if you think this is a car for you, give us a call here in Wigan. We can take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That will prepare the car, so you only have to come to Wigan once and then collect it, at which point then you can pay for it on a banking app. If you require finance, just give us a call. We can take your quote, give you a quote, PCP or HP, depending on which you require, and then we can send you a secure portal. You can read your documentation, sign it. It'll only go live once you've been to Wigan and checked the vehicle yourself. Part exchange, we'll give you that over the phone. Give us a call and we will give you the price. Have a look on our reviews. We are a 5-star dealer. Take a look on our Auto Trader, highly rated. You'll see that customers from all over the UK, have a see what they said when they bought their car yesterday, the day before, last week. Have a look on Facebook and you'll see those customers collecting their cars from us. Like our page and keep up to date with all the offers that we have. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.